The all-new Renault Scenic E-Tech is a compelling option in the increasingly crowded electric SUV segment, blending head-turning style with family-friendly practicality. From its sleek exterior design to the spacious and versatile interior, this electric hauler has a lot going for it. The Scenic E-Tech cuts a striking figure with its modern, almost coupe-like silhouette. The chunky rear lighting elements extend down the sides, accentuating the vehicle's wide stance. Up front, the slim headlights and distinctive grille with a gradient effect give the Scenic an unmistakable road presence. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that prioritizes space and versatility. The rear seats offer limo-like legroom, making it an ideal family hauler. Even with all seats occupied, the 545-liter trunk provides ample room for cargo. Fold the rear seatbacks and you have a voluminous 1,670 liters of space at your disposal. The interior design is clean and uncluttered, with a user-friendly dual-screen infotainment setup. Renault's quick and responsive system makes operating the various functions a breeze. Clever storage solutions abound, including a huge center console bin and movable cup holders. While not tuned for outright sportiness, the Scenic E-Tech delivers a comfortable and composed driving experience. The suspension does an admirable job of soaking up bumps, even on rough city streets. At highway speeds, it remains planted with minimal wind and road noise. A range of up to 379 miles from the larger 87 kilowatt-hour battery pack means you can venture farther without range anxiety. When it's time to recharge, 150 kilowatts DC fast charging capability allows topping up from 15 to 80% in just 37 minutes. The Renault Scenic E-Tech doesn't skimp on amenities and safety tech. Standard kit includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and emergency lane keeping assist. Higher trims add niceties like a digital rear-view mirror, surround-view camera system, and hands-free parking. With 2 battery options, 3 well-equipped trim levels, and prices ranging from £32,000 to £45,000, the Scenic E-Tech offers something for a variety of budgets. If you're in the market for a stylish, practical, and tech-laden electric SUV, the Renault Scenic E-Tech deserves a spot on your shortlist.